Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's look at another example of implicit differentiation. 3xy minus y squared is equal to 1. And let's take a look at the slope dy dx of this curve at the point 1, 1. So we take a derivative of both sides. The right side is simple, it's just 0. On the left, we can use a product rule here. And we would just simply get 3, which is the derivative of 3x times y. And then we add 3x times the derivative of y, which is just y prime. And in some sense, you could think of it like this. You could think, okay, derivative of this is just 1, and derivative of y is y prime, and you multiply it. You didn't really have to do that, but in general, you even do that with x. And derivative is just 1 times 1 is 1, but we don't usually do that. But in some sense, we can just always remember that we always multiply by the prime of whatever variable we see that we're working with, but remembering what it's with respect to. We're taking a derivative with respect to x the whole bit. So over here, since y is a chunk, we have, minus 2y, and then times the derivative of y, which is y prime. Again, it's like this. Take a derivative, the y pops in, because that's what was in here to begin with, but then that becomes a times and then y prime. So we end up getting 2y prime. Okay, 0. Okay, now at this point, we're trying to find dy dx, which I labeled as y prime in this case. Now we don't really have to do anything more here. We can just simply plug in 1, 1. So let's do that. 3 plus 3y prime minus 2y prime. Now, why did I just simply plug things in at this point? Why didn't I plug them in at the beginning? Well, if I did, then I wouldn't have any variables anymore. But you need variables to take derivatives. As soon as you've taken derivatives, you can plug things in all you want, because all you do from now is just algebra or arithmetic in order to get to where you want to be. So this is just fine. We can plug in after we've taken derivatives, and then we can solve for y prime. So we get 3y prime minus 2y prime is just y prime. You subtract the 3 over, and voila. So we know the slope of this curve is -3 at the point 1, 1. Thanks for watching.